Moving on tonight, we are learning new information about the deadly shooting killing 3 in a Summerlin law office on Monday.
The Clark County Coroner's Office releasing more details on what happened.
That's right, and our Ryan Ketchum joins us live from the City National Bank building in Summerlin where the shooting happened. And Ryan, what did the coroner say?
Both Ashley and Dennis Prince were found with multiple gunshot wounds. The Clark County Coroner's Office is labeling their deaths as a homicide, and Joe Houston died from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Several law enforcement and legal sources tell Channel 13 that Joe Houston shot and killed Ashley, who was his former daughter-in-law, and Dennis, her new husband, during a deposition hearing about a child custody case inside the Prince Law office in the City National Bank building on the 5th floor. Dennis is the founding member of the Prince Law Group, and Ashley was formerly married to the gunman's son. The State Bar of Nevada tells me that even after his death, principal partner Dennis Prince and his law group will continue forward, and their clients shouldn't worry about their representation. The State Bar has a plan in place called a practice takeover.
If the State Bar believes that something has occurred where the potential harm is to clients because of the absence of an attorney, the State Bar can actually petition the Nevada Supreme Court to get a trustee to access files and client trust accounts. And the trustee then works closely with the State Bar to make sure that clients are getting what they need.
The State Bar President-elect Richard Dreitzer tells me that there are only about 5,000 attorneys in Clark County, making it a very close-knit community. So it's not unheard of having attorneys help others if needed. Dreitzer also says that the well-being and health of the people in the Prince Law Group is of top priority to them. So Dreitzer says that the State Bar of Nevada will be stepping in and will be giving several free sessions with a therapist to anyone in need inside of that law group to help them work through this tragedy. Reporting live from in front of the City National Bank building in Summerlin, I'm Ryan Ketchum. Back to you.